In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Stamp Stylized Tree in Krita. Open the Brush Presets docker or press F6 if it's hidden. In the search bar, type Stamp Stylized Tree and select the brush. Start painting using single clicks or short strokes. Click once to place a single tree stamp, or drag your brush to create a series of stylized tree stamps. To customize the brush, press F5 to open brush settings. Adjust the size to make the tree stamps larger or smaller. Change the opacity and flow for stronger or softer effects. You can also adjust the spacing to place the stamps closer together or farther apart. For more flexibility, paint on a separate layer. This makes it easy to erase, move, or adjust the stamped trees later without affecting the rest of your artwork. The Stamp Stylized Tree brush is designed to stamp stylized tree shapes as you paint instead of creating them by hand. It's a good choice when you're painting forests, landscapes, backgrounds, concept art, or adding decorative tree elements to your artwork. And that's how to use the Stamp Stylized Tree brush in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.